Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand basic filtering in Excel. So, depending upon the type of data, that is number, date, and text, filters are available in Excel. For number, we can sort the data into ascending or descending. Sorting can be done by color. In number filter, we can have equal to, greater than, or less than, or we can filter the data that is according to above average, below average. In date, we are having date filters where we can specify the range of the dates. In text, again, the filtering can be done according to the alphabetical order by color. And in text filter, you can specify that a word beginning with or ending with contains or equal to does not equal to. So let's take one example to understand all these filters. Here we are having a data set which consists of registration number of the student, name of the student, date of birth, graduation, marketing, marks in first semester, marks in second semester. So first we will understand sorting of the data. So we want to arrange this mark in ascending or descending order. Press A to Z, expand the selection, that is whatever chronology which is adapted for marks should the same sequence be applied on all other columns? Yes. So this is uh, ascending. Let's take the descending. Press ZA, expand the selection. Yes, sort it. This is descending. Now to activate the filter, press your cursor on the top row, activate the filter, and the filters are ready. Now this is text. So in this case, the filters which will be available are text filters, equal to, does not equal to, begins with, ends with, contains, and does not contain. So let's say begins with. Pick up all the names which begins with P, click OK, and the filtering is done. At any moment of time, you want to deactivate the filter, the shortcut for it is Control Shift L. I repeat, to deactivate the filters, the shortcut is Control Shift L. Okay. Again, click here, activate the filter. Now, text filters ends with. I only want those names which are ending with A. Click OK. See, all the A's in the last. Now, Control Shift L. Again, activate the filter. Text filters begins with. I can specify two conditions together. Begins with and. Ends with. So begins with P and ends with A. Click OK. So there is only one name which satisfy this criteria. Control Shift L. Now I will again activate the filter, press filter here, and is there anything else we can do? Go in text filter, contains. So give me the names of the students which contains V anywhere in the name V. So click OK. So you can see anywhere the V is there. So here Bhargav V is there, Vidyarthi, Savalya, Bowser, Sanjeev V is there. So I'll press Control Shift L. Again activate the filters. Uh, it should not contain. So one is it should contain and it should not contain anywhere A in between. Click OK. So we don't have any such name. Let's go back. Text filter does not contain B anywhere. So just see, this name does not have a B in between. Okay, control Z. So this was about text filter. Now let's activate the date filter. So go here, date filters. So you can specify the range, right? So all those who are having their date of birth in first quarters. So see, okay, control Z, and then date filters. All those who are born in January, you can activate that way also. Right? Date filters. Moreover, the custom filters can also be activated. The range can be specified from here, and the calendar can be activated from here. Right? So this was a date filter. Now let's talk about uh, the text filters. So comparatively, text filters are having more options activated. And see, first of all, deselect all. Give me the name of the students who have opted for BCom, right? So the filtering can be done directly from here also. Only those students who have gone for BCA, click OK. Now again, as it is a text filter, all the options which we had discussed in the name, they are all available here also, because it is a text filter. This is again text, the specialization. Again, all the filters which are available for text are here. I can select finance and click OK. So only finance will be displayed. Press Ctrl Z. Now let's talk about the number filters. I'll go here. Definitely I cannot select one by one the marks. So I'll specify the range. So give me the students. Give me the output of the students who are having the marks greater than 50. Click OK. Right? So first filter. Give me the list of the students who have secured less than 40 marks. So no student is there. Less than or equal to 40. Click OK. So two students are there who are having exactly the marks 40. Now let's take one case study. Identify the students in BBA opted specialization marketing and secured more than 65 marks, 65 percentage. Okay, so we'll go one by one. Identify the students in BBA. Okay, so activate BBA. Fine. Marketing. So there is no student, right? BBA marketing, no student. Okay. Activate the filter again. Identify the student who has opted for BCom. Specialization marketing. This is basically N. N operator is getting active. Marketing. And those who have secured more than 60 marks. So click OK. Number of conditions. 3 students are there who meet all these 3 criteria. Press Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. So filter has been removed. Identify the students who have secured about 65 percentage or 65 marks in both the semesters. Okay, so activate this. Number filters greater than is greater than 65. Okay, done. First filtering is done. Activate the second filtering also. Number filtering greater than 65. Click OK. So these students satisfy both the conditions. Now filtering can be done with the help of conditional formatting also. How? Let's see. We'll go in home, conditional formatting. Let me select this conditional formatting, highlight the cells rules, that is all those who are greater than 50 or let's say 60. Click OK. Now again activate this, go in data, filter, and see one more option will get active. Filter by color, right? So all those who have secured more than 60 marks, done. All those who have secured less than 60 marks. So both the sets are available. So this is filtering by color. Let me take one more example. I will select this one, go in home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. Less than. Let's pick up this time less than. So identify the students who have got less than 50 marks. This time we will take green field with dark green text. Click OK. So these are the students who have got less than 50. Okay. Activate this filter by color. So identify the students who are having less than 50 marks. Done. Identify the students who are having more than 50 marks. So the quite useful tool. So this is how you can do basic filtering in MS Excel. For more videos on MS Excel, please subscribe my channel so that you can refer all the videos in my playlist. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Link given in the description box.